It's Bonnie. I am back. Happy Sunday night. We got to talk about Ipsy. I haven't talked about Ipsy in a while. I've been putting my Ipsy boxes on TikTok, but I wanted to do an unboxing because this box is so pretty for the new year. So I am a part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, which means Ipsy does gift me the Glam bag and the Glam bag Plus each month. I'm gonna toss my Ipsy box, big box. I gotta get rid of that. And I just wanted to point out, we've talked a lot about rising prices across the candle community, the body care, and I just noticed that the Ipsy bags are also going up. So it's not just one company, it is across the entire beauty industry. The actual Glam bag, which you get this tiny little cute bag, which I love so much, was $12. It is now $13. The Glam bag Plus went from $25 to $28. So prices are going up everywhere in the new year. This is called Time to Shine. This is December 2021. And what does it say? It says, sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks, get your skin glowing, and share your light inside and out with the ones you love. So I'm going to unbox. I always say unbox. I'm unbagging the bags. So first up, I really love this bag. It's cute. It's pink. I will probably just put this right in my purse. So in here we get 5. You know what? I think one of these was actually in here because let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 5 in each bag. And then what I got in the $13 bag is the Dragon Beauty liquid eyeliner. Check that out. I got the Orinza Beauty. Let me see this. If there's any beauty boxes or bags or anything beauty-wise that you want me to review in 2022, let me know. I try to focus on stuff that works for people like myself who are over 50. Let me see if I can open this. Oh, you know what? This is sealed. Check it out, though. It's got these really pretty kind of bronzy brown colors. For the most part, I only wear things that glitter, and that sounds really weird for being over 50, but I find that matte shades really kind of bring out my little wrinkles on my eyes and my lips. So don't be afraid to wear glitter or shimmery eyeshadow or lip gloss with some shine in it. I got the Professional Hydrate Primer from Benefit. I do like these. I got a, what is this? Look at mascara. What is this? Surfer Curl. Oh, this is Tarte C. Is this a mascara? I'm actually excited. Oh, yes. I love getting mascara in the beauty bags. It's like one of my favorite things to get because I don't like to pay full price for mascara because I cycle through them like every 20 days. I always worry about like an eye infection. So I do cycle through mascara quickly. This is from Terra Mars. This is a, what is this? It's an eye contour. You can't really see that good. So that was the little bag. And then we move on to the big bag. I actually recommend getting the Glam bag Plus. I think it is a much better value. By the way, we have so many uses for these bags, honestly. Like my daughter puts her face masks in these for school. I use them all the time in my purse. These are just like the best drawstring bags. I prefer them actually over the little bags. Even I use this like in my purse for like I actually put peppermints in these, but I really like these drawstring bags. So I got 5 products in here. I got, oh, 'Tis the Season to Be Lovely. This is a Essence Sheet Mask. I think I got 2 of these. I also got Baby It's Cold Outside. So I got 2 masks in here. Are there 2? Yeah, there's 2 masks. I got a Kate Somerville moisturizing, oh, this is the Exfoliate Glow. This is actually a pretty good product. I've used this before. I will keep that. I got 2 brushes. I am a brush fanatic. I am always looking for new makeup brushes. I never ever buy them. It's funny because I feel like, because I kind of canceled most of my beauty subscriptions lately that I'm kind of low on brushes. I want to cycle through my brushes, but these are really nice. Check these out. They're covered. Oh, these are really nice. Look at these. These are so soft. These are from, what is this? Bell and Argent. I don't know this company, but my gosh, these brushes are nice. They feel like silk. So I'm super excited to get 2 brushes. I also got, Verb Ghost Prep. I do like this. This is a frizz control. It's a weightless moisture and heat protection with frizz control. I've used the Verb hair oil, and it's actually really good. So I do like the Verb products. It is paraben-free, gluten-free, sulfite-free. So good product there. And then I also got from, who is this by? This is Incredible. Oh, Nails Inc. You know what? They have kind of like a side company. These are so interesting. They're crystal roller balls. It's like, I think these are lip gloss. They're 2 crystal lip glosses infused with real crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up your chakra. I've gotten these before. I don't know if my chakra needs that much awakening, but these are interesting. There's like little crystals in here. I don't know. I gotta think about these. But anyway, I will definitely use the Verb. I will definitely use the Kate Somerville. And then the masks, I might gift these. These aren't bad. I usually like a peel-off mask as opposed to a sheet mask. And then I will definitely be using these brushes. These are exciting. So, nice bag from Ipsy this month. I'm going to try and do my unboxing on YouTube so you guys can see it. I have been putting them on TikTok, but good stuff here. I will have January's unbagging soon. And like I said, if there's any other beauty boxes, if you want me to try BoxyCharm again or anything else. I was in the FabFitFun program, and then I haven't gotten one yet, so I don't know what's going on with that. But if there's anything you want me to review in 2022, let me know. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.